The debate over ugly hot versus hot celebrities has gained traction on social media, particularly TikTok. Ugly hot, or unconventionally attractive, describes individuals who possess unique features that make them appealing despite not fitting traditional beauty standards, such as Adam Driver and Tilda Swinton. In contrast, hot individuals meet conventional beauty criteria and are typically very attractive, like Michael B. Jordan and Beyoncé. The discussion underscores that personality also plays a significant role in attractiveness, as someone's charm and confidence can enhance their appeal, regardless of their physical traits. Ultimately, beauty is subjective, and terms like ugly hot may not fully capture the complexity of attraction.